Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at a different type of animation using Animate, and it's called shape animation. Now we've done motion tweening with graphics, and we have done animations with the bone tool, but you can use a shape animation to morph a shape into a different shape. So let's give it a try. I'm going to just grab myself a rectangle here. In fact, you know what? I'm going to draw a shape. So I'm just going to get my paintbrush tool and I'm going to draw something like this. We'll just fill that in. Okay. And I'll put it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to, how about 30? I'm going to press F7. I'm going to turn on my onion skin to see what I previously drew, and I'm going to draw a different type of shape. So maybe it'll just kind of morph into more of a square. Okay. I'm going to right click anywhere in the gray area and you'll see Shape Tween. So click Shape Tween. I'm going to turn the onion skin off. Notice that it's shaded orange. Motion tweens are kind of a purple. The bone tool animation is in green, and this happens to be in orange. And you can see how it's morphing if I scrub my timeline. Now I can make that animation happen faster if I move this closer, and that'd be quicker. I can also select this frame and put it right on top. Let me just temporarily put my onion skin on. I can just put this temporarily on top of that one. Okay, and you can kind of see how it's morphing like that. So you also have some flexibility. I'll just move this back to tell what part of the original piece you want to morph. So let me show you here. Let's say I wanted this piece of this shape to be the bottom right corner of this square. Notice right now, I believe that's turning into the bottom left corner. So there's something called Modify Shape and Add Shape Hint. And you get this letter A. So if I put an A here, and then I move to frame 30, and I put the A here, pretty simple, A will go to A. So now you can see how that is happening, which doesn't look too good. So maybe I'll move it to, instead of going across, move it to there, and you kind of see how it's moving over. Okay, good. I can move the hint maybe here. Much better. Or keep it in the same corner, and you can kind of see how that's working. So you can add as many hints as you want. I can insert, or sorry, it's modify. Nope, it isn't. No, modify shape. I gotta be on the keyframe, the first one here. Modify shape, add shape hint. I'll go with the B. I'll add another hint. And I'll make 4 hints. So I got D, C, A, B, D, A, B, C, D, and then change these to A, and you can kind of see how that's morphing now. So it's going from hint to hint. So good luck and give it a try.